First step, what we're going to do is make the orange pumpkin. We have the 3 primary colors here, and we're just going to stir the red and the yellow together until it makes orange. This orange is kind of dark because the red is really strong. And it's stronger than the yellow. So then once you have orange on your brush, you have one side with orange, the other side dip in the yellow just for this pumpkin. And from the top to the bottom almost, the whole way, you are going to paint an oval. You could fill that oval in with some more yellow. And then you're going to dip the orange on one side of the brush, the yellow on the other, and then you're going to do a backwards letter C from the top to the bottom. Dip the orange on one side, the yellow on the other. Backward regular letter C on this side till there's no white space. Dip it again. One side orange, one side yellow from the top to the bottom to make your pumpkin. Dip it again, one side orange, one side yellow from the top to the bottom, a pumpkin. Then once your pumpkin is bigger than your fist, we're going to stop there, clean our brush. Our pumpkin has to go off on the side to dry. I'm going to clean and dry the brush because I'm using tempera. And then I'm going to create the background. We're going to fold the paper like a hot dog style, 2 long side. Hot dog would fit perfectly in there. We don't want to make a hamburger because we're going to do a landscape. And then you're going to, from that bottom of the fold, put some green grass. So blue and yellow, stir it together till you create a green. And then everything under the line, green grass. Paint captures the texture, so if you wanted to make it look smooth, you could go side to side. If you want the grass growing, you could do some texture by moving short little lines up. Then you're gonna clean the brush, and then because we're using tempera, we're going to dry it. And now we're gonna make a purple spooky sky. So I have a little bit of red and a little bit of blue, and I'm gonna swirl that around until I make a purple. And the purple sky comes all the way from the top. Good thing I have my table saver catching my mess. And I'm going to fill it in so there's no white space. And then again, that texture. Maybe I'll move my brush in a swirly, like it's spooky wind. And then I'm going to let that dry. And then next week, we're going to cut and glue and add our Picasso face. So now that I've created my painted paper, everything goes to the drying rack and we're ready for the next step.